Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product images with SKU in order detail or view page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page and we are in order section. So we are going to add product image with SKU. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugins, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see get image, so this is our image size, and then you see div class. If you want to add some styling you can use this class for product image. And SKU, scroll down you see insert method auto insert. Location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page. We are in order view section. Now refresh the page and now you see product image with SKU. So this is our format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.